How to increase your T-Mobile 5G home internet speed. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to improve your T-Mobile 5G home internet speed so you can stream, game, and browse without lag. You might notice slow downloads, interrupted streaming, or laggy video calls. Don't worry, I'll show you simple ways to boost your connection and get faster speeds. Here's what you need to do. Method 1. Reposition your 5G gateway. Place your T-Mobile 5G gateway near a window or in a central spot in your home. Avoid corners, walls, or metal objects that block the signal. Sometimes just moving the gateway a few feet can dramatically improve speed. Method 2. Reduce interference from other devices. Keep your gateway away from microwaves, cordless phones, and Bluetooth devices. These can interfere with 5G signals and slow down your internet. Method 3. Use a wired connection, Ethernet. For devices that need stable speeds, connect directly via Ethernet. Wired connections are faster and more reliable than Wi-Fi, especially for gaming or streaming. Method 4. Check your gateway settings. Log into your T-Mobile 5G gateway dashboard. Make sure you're on the 5G band, not just 4G LTE, and enable any speed optimization features offered in the settings. Method 5. Update firmware and restart your gateway. Check for firmware updates regularly. Restart your gateway every few days to refresh the connection and clear any temporary slowdowns. A simple reboot can often fix minor speed drops immediately. Method 6. Consider a signal booster or external antenna. If your 5G coverage is weak inside, adding a signal booster or attaching an external antenna, if supported, can strengthen reception and increase speed. And that's it. These tips should help improve your T-Mobile 5G home internet speed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.